Hello and welcome to Coppice Road, number 11 to be exact. I'm here to give you a video tour. My name is Gary, obviously from WhiteKnights. So what we have here is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It does have an extension to the rear, and also the garage has been converted. So as you can probably tell, it's a very large 3-bedroom semi, very much a family home. Also with a big driveway, as you can probably see here. So let's crack on and I'll show you around. I'm actually going to start the tour by showing you the driveway, in fact, because this is a resin driveway, incredibly expensive to put down, very posh, but parking for at least 4 cars. You can see we've got a big lawn at the front there as well. And then to the right there we have a side access. So let's now take you through the front door and let's give you a tour inside. So as I mentioned, this property has been extended, it's been altered, much bigger than the original. And what we have is firstly this entrance hall. I'm just going to turn around, in fact, and give you an idea of the door which I've just come through. There you go. And what we have here, on the left-hand side here, this is the family room, the downstairs WC ahead of me. You can just about see the staircase there to the first floor, door in front to the kitchen, and a door on the left to the lounge. So let's start in the lounge. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go left and right because it's quite a big room this is. To the left you can see there a nice bay window. We then have fireplace with a chimney breast, and then spinning round we then have an additional sitting area. This would have originally been the lounge diner, in fact, but now that the house has been altered, you'll see this really is all lounge. A nice view to the rear garden, as you can see. It's very private. I will show you that towards the end of the tour. And I'm just going to turn around and give you a better view from that angle. And then turn around this way and give you an idea of the full extent of this room. So this is the lounge. I'm now going to move across to the other side of the house over here. So this was originally the garage. This has been altered. So what we now have is a sort of family room, quite large as you can see. It's got a bay window on the front. The windows, by the way, are UPVC double glazed sealed units. But what the owner's done is they've created a utility area just here, as you can probably see. Another little window on the side, and then this is then a sort of sitting area, family area. Nice extra little bit of space. The whole thing could easily be used as quite a big dining room if you wanted. And then in the corner here, the downstairs WC. Rather nicely finished, as you can probably see straight away. We've got the low-level WC there. There's a wash basin with vanity drawers underneath. Nice tiled walls and also tiled flooring as well. So, yeah, nicely finished downstairs WC. And now on the ground floor here, this is the room which I think is the special, let's say the wow factor, because what we have here is very much a kitchen dining room with a lovely kitchen. First of all, dining space there. You can see a little side window. I'll show you the kitchen area in just a minute, because this cupboard here has the gas-fired boiler. Now the gas-fired boiler is in fact less than 2 years old, so that's a good little bonus. Now the kitchen, lots of work surface, lots of units, nicely refitted, as you can see. Nice butcher's block work surfaces as well. We've also got some integrated appliances. Nice wine rack there in front, as you can see. And work surfaces all along the back wall and coming up the side. In here we have a built-in oven and also then an oven sort of microwave. And then the hob there to the left. Dual aspect windows, as you can see, a rear window overlooking the garden, and then we have the door there to the side of the butler sink as well. So really lovely kitchen, I'm going to turn around and just point in the other direction. There you go, table and chairs there in the distance, so a really nice feature of the house. So that's the ground floor, and I'm now going to take you upstairs and show you the first floor. First of all, focusing on the landing, which is quite large, as you can see, like an L-shaped landing. There's a window at the front there. We have an airing cupboard, which is in front of us just there. And then 3 really quite good sized bedrooms. So let's start with the main room. So this is the largest. This has got a full range of built-in wardrobes to the left-hand side, as you can see there, with part mirrored doors as well. Rear aspect. Just give you an idea of the view out the back. Very private, as you can see. A few trees at the back boundary, which is lovely. So that really is a good sized master bedroom. We then have a double bedroom here. Rear aspect, nice big windows by the way. Rear aspect, you can see we've got a double bed in situ here. So that is another double room. I'm just reversing up here. And then the third bedroom, you'll notice straight away it has a double bed in it. So again, really good size third bedroom. On the right hand side, we've got a range of freestanding wardrobes just there. This does have a front aspect window, but 3 genuine double bedrooms. And then on the other side of the landing over here, we have the bathroom. So now this has a sort of P-shaped bath with a shower end and a power shower over. Hopefully you can see the shower through the screen there. It's like a curved glass shower screen. There's the wash basin and the low-level WC. Radiator to my right, just under the window. And fully tiled walls as well. So nice bathroom as well. So that's the house, as you can see, a really good size, very much a family home. Let's now take you into the rear garden. I'm just on the patio now. To the right hand side, there's the door taking you into the kitchen. I'm just going to lean back here and show you. That's the kitchen extension, which you can see is quite a good size extension. Big patio area here with steps taking you to a lawn. It's obviously a rather wet wintry day today, unfortunately, but we'll do the best we can. And at the end here you can see we've got a garden shed and then summer house in the corner with deck patio there as well. So I'm just going to spin round and show you the rear of the house. You can see the extension there, and also we have a side access just the left hand side there. You can just see the gap. So all in all, a very nice 3-bedroom semi-detached house. If you think you'd like to know more details, then give us a call. My name's Gary. I'm sure I can help you. Same telephone number which is on the website to arrange a viewing appointment. Thanks for watching.